Learn to speak in English fluently. Hello, dear friends. A good command over the language can unlock plenty of opportunities and experiences. In this video, I'm going to share with you 9 golden tips, which, if followed, will improve your English speaking skills. Additionally, I will also share with you a 7-day program, and you will definitely see the difference in yourself. All you need to do is just invest 30 minutes in a day for the next 7 days. Follow the golden tips that I'm going to give you in this video, and also the free 7-day program which I'm going to list in the description box. We all know the importance of speaking in English, whether it's in school, college, workplace, or even while preparing ourselves for the job interview. Well, this video is a solution to all the problems you're facing. So let's start with the first tip. Listen and observe. The more you listen, the more you hear, the easier it will be for you to speak better English. For example, a child speaks in his mother tongue by his own. The reason behind is he listens to the people who speaks every time. That is his family member, the people around him. And this way easily he learns that language. No special training is given for that purpose. So try to listen more in English, especially news in English, debates in English, and of course, listen to English songs. Observe. Observe good and fluent speakers and try to copy them. It can be a news reporter, an actor, or any motivational speaker. But while copying them, pay attention to the pronunciation. Like this also, you can improve your English. Now let's move on to the next tip, that is, think in English. It may sound funny, but it is very important. Try to think in English whenever you think something. No doubt, you will find it difficult in the initial days, but soon it will help you out and you will learn to switch between speaking English and your first language very easily. Now let's see the third tip. Talk to yourself. By talking to yourself in English in front of the mirror, you can easily find out your mistakes by your own. You can judge yourself. It will also help you to learn when and how to change your expressions. Talk about yourself, your hobbies, your memorable moments, challenging moments, your likes, your dislikes, your goals, aims in life, etc. Prepare a short paragraph and practice it daily in front of the mirror. This will boost your confidence. Now, let's see the fourth tip. Motivate yourself. No one can push you forward if you lack confidence in yourself. Self-motivation is very important. Every time you try to speak in English, celebrate the success of being able to speak, no matter if it's one sentence. Slowly, you will improve. Let's do it. Motivate yourself before doing anything, before trying to speak in English. Then you will come up with flying colors. Now let's see the fifth tip. Do not be afraid. This is very important as well, because you know a fear can never motivate you to do good things. Always remember that fear of making mistake will always pull you back. If you have decided, just do it. Do it without any fear. No matter if you make mistakes, you will definitely learn from it and you will not repeat what it taught you. As Albert Einstein said, anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. So, do not be afraid. Don't ask ask this question to yourself. Can I do this? Tell yourself, yes, I can do this and I will do this. Now let's move on to the sixth tip, and that is practice. Practice makes a man perfect. It is the only way to become proficient in a new skill or behavior. Look for opportunities, test your speaking skills. Now let's see the seventh tip. Read. Read aloud. Take a short passage, which is easy for you but bit challenging as well, in which you have some difficult words to speak. Read it for first time and note the time. Note the time you took to complete that passage. Now do this again once more, and this time check the time again and try to beat your own time record. This way you can improve your reading. Whenever you read, make it a habit. You will read aloud. It will be very easy for you to understand as well as to remember it for a longer time. Let's see the eighth point, and that is tongue twister. It will help you to be more attentive to what you say. At the same time, you will learn to speak English fluently if practicing it regularly. So, let's start with one tongue twister. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So, Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. You can try it again and again by increasing the speed. Like, Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So, Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. Okay, try it, and every time you say, try to increase the speed. Let's try one more. I feel a feel, a funny feel. A funny feel I feel. If you feel the feel, I feel. A funny feel you feel. Isn't it interesting? Yes, you can try many more tongue twisters like this. Now, let's move on to the ninth tip. Converse with native English speakers and join meetups. This is very important. Whenever you think to speak in English or to learn how to speak English, the very first question arises in your mind is, whom shall we speak with? Who do we actually speak English with? As a family and friend seems to make fun of us often. You need someone who can guide you, who can correct you and can help you. For this, you need to look for a person who knows English very well. A person who can understand you and can help you in English conversation as well. Listen. Speaking and listening skill, these both will develop together. If you listen to someone who speaks very fluently in English, you will try to listen at the same time you will respond back also. In this, your listening and your thinking skill will develop. I hope you enjoyed this introductory session. Do follow the 7 days program for quick and better result. In the coming videos, I'll be sharing vocabulary based contents to enhance your English speaking. Thank you for learning with us. For more such videos, keep watching Kids Study Zone.